Hello and welcome to our video on how to secure your savings from economic crises, bank runs, or other disasters. These types of events can cause financial stress and uncertainty, but there are steps you can take to protect your savings. In this video, we will be discussing some of the ways you can safeguard your savings in times of crisis. Step 1. Diversify your investments. One way to protect your savings is to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. By diversifying your investments, you reduce your overall risk, and if one asset class is affected by a crisis, you will have other investments that may remain stable or even increase in value. When it comes to diversifying your investments, it's important to consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're looking for a safe investment, you might consider investing in bonds or money market funds. If you're comfortable with taking more risks, you might consider investing in stocks or real estate. Additionally, you may want to seek professional financial advice to help you make informed decisions about your investments. Step 2. Keep cash on hand. Another way to protect your savings is to keep some cash on hand. During a crisis, it may be difficult to access your money in banks or other financial institutions. Having cash on hand can give you a sense of security and allow you to purchase necessary items without relying on credit cards or other forms of electronic payment. When it comes to how much cash you should keep on hand, it depends on your individual circumstances. Experts recommend having enough cash to cover several months of living expenses in case of an emergency. You may want to keep your cash in a safe or other secure location in your home. Step 3. Consider investing in precious metals. Investing in precious metals such as gold, silver, and platinum can be a good way to protect your savings from a financial crisis. Precious metals tend to hold their value even during economic downturns, and they can provide a hedge against inflation. When it comes to investing in precious metals, there are a few options. You can invest in physical metals, such as buying gold or silver coins or bars. You can also invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that invest in precious metals. Keep in mind that investing in precious metals comes with its own set of risks, such as storage and insurance costs, and the potential for fluctuating prices. Step 4. Choose a stable financial institution. When choosing a financial institution to keep your savings in, it is important to consider their stability and reliability. Look for institutions that are well established and have a strong reputation for safety and security. You may also want to consider choosing a bank or credit union that is insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, or the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA. If you're concerned about the stability of your financial institution, you may want to consider spreading your deposits across multiple institutions. This can help protect your savings in case one institution fails. Step 5. Stay informed and be prepared. Finally, staying informed and being prepared can help you protect your savings in times of crisis. Keep up to date with the news and be aware of any potential economic risks or events that may affect your savings. Have a plan in place for what you will do if a crisis does occur, such as having emergency funds or a backup financial institution. It's also a good idea to regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. This can help ensure that you're on track to meet your financial goals, and that you're prepared for any unexpected events that may occur. In conclusion, protecting your savings during times of economic crises or other disasters requires careful planning and diversification. By diversifying your investments, keeping cash on hand, investing in precious metals, choosing a stable financial institution, and staying informed and prepared, you can safeguard your savings and weather any financial storm that may come your way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next video.